guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. Here is another interesting video just for you. Stay tuned. Guys, do you remember that chick which was affected by riboflavin? The story is in one of my videos. Apparently, this is the lack of essential vitamins in the body that makes the chick develop weak bones. This is the lack of vitamin B2, which is also called riboflavin, which is one of 8B vitamins. So we fed it with lots of calcium and multivitamin, boost its eating capabilities and also grow strong bones. Guys, look at it a few weeks later. It's fully recovered. It's doing well. So I'm out here for some pumpkin leaves. They're still very fresh in the farm. This is just my small kitchen garden which has pumpkin leaves. I just need enough for lunch. They look so fresh. I can't help but notice how green they are. These ones should be enough for now. So I'll just proceed to prepare them, then I'll cut them into small pieces. And I'll proceed to make just a simple local meal that we usually eat here in Africa, Kenya. And this is how I slowly introduce you to my culture, because food is part of culture. Okay. So now that I'm done with the cutting, I'll be adding some water to the pumpkin leaves, then boil for a while to make the leaves very soft. Then I'll proceed to fry my pumpkin leaves, then prepare my ugali, and we'll have a meal. Guys, it's that simple. It's just that simple. So here is the pumpkin in its boiled state. Then I've just finished frying or shallow frying the pumpkin leaves, and they look so yummy. I just love how green it is. It's so dark in color. Yeah, it looks so good. So once this is done, you can have it with ugali and some beef on the side. You can just imagine how sweet that will be. So yummy. So at this point, I'll be drying my maize out in the sun for a couple of hours, probably 2 or 3. Then I'll be heading to the posho mill to sift the maize. This is how we do it here. So I'll just spread it and allow it some time to dry, then I'll be back for it. It's about time we head to the posher mill. Guys, here is our final product. That's our maize flour. See how fine it is. This is what we use to make ugali. I will show you the process of making ugali in a bit. That's our staple food here in Kenya. It's a simple process. Just boil water, add some flour, let it boil, and start kneading the ugali until it is ready. Should be ready now. There we go. It's best when served hot. So here is our ugali and some pumpkin leaves. Then I'll be adding soy milk. I love soy milk. It's also a very common dish here in Kenya. You can decide to add sugar to the milk, or you can decide to take it without sugar. The choice is all yours. Yes. This is very nice. Love it. Some milk. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this here. And for these kids, that is what they will have. It's some milk. Yeah, but now. So guys, we're outside. Let me show you around Kenya. Nairobi to be precise. These are mostly office centers where you're most likely to get tall buildings and skyscrapers. The roads are also super highways. In Nairobi, you can't help but notice how green the area is, thanks to one lovely woman by the name Wangari Maathai. She is a Nobel Peace Prize winner and an environmentalist. This woman made people plant thousands and thousands of trees, and the Nairobi you see today is all thanks to her. What a legend. What you see here, this minibus, we call them matatus here in Kenya. It's a public means of transport, very popular. Here you see how colorful they are, with a lot of art, a lot of graffiti of artists that are loved across the world, not only here in Kenya. And this is how it looks in the inside. Yeah, it's very comfortable and pops with lots of color. This is how it lights up at night. Just look at that. Wow. That's the matatu culture. It's a modern culture. Yeah. It's now a Kenyan culture. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I can never thank you enough. If you're new to this channel, welcome on board. And if you found the video helpful, you can consider subscribing.